Hi, welcome to our channel, and we're gonna be making slime, and what I have here is color glue and Elmer's magic liquid, and so I'm gonna end up making it in here. So you just get a plate and a spoon, and you could start. So I'm pouring it in the plate. Put all of it. Well, you can put a little bit if you just want. I'm putting all of it. Then wait till it stops dripping. Okay. So I put it in, and now you could just like feel it and leave it there. And now you could add a little bit of this. And so I put a little bit in it, and now I'm just mixing it. Now I'm gonna put a little bit more. So I added some more. Now just keep mixing. And so now I'm just still mixing it until it's ready. And keep going. You see, it's almost ready. Just keep mixing.
So we got it out of the plate and we just started rolling it like if it was dough, kneading it. You knead it, keep kneading until you get a thicker consistency. So here's what it's looking like now. So this is our final product. This is what it looks like. You can keep kneading until it's the consistency, sorry, that you like, and go from there.
Please subscribe and
like our videos. Please like and subscribe. And come back for more videos. Thank you.
Bye.